Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment not completed in App Store. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you are trying to download or install any app from App Store but you're facing the issue that the payment's not completed, you get the issue again and again. So let's see about some possible fixes. The very first is that you have to open your settings here and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. So go for settings here, go for general. Go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, then go back from here, and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. Then go back, open your general section again, go for date and time, and you have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle to set your date and time automatically, and you have also selected the correct time zone based on your location. And after doing that, just go back from here and you have to retry if your issue is fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed. So you have to also go for screen time settings, go for content and privacy restrictions, and disable all the restrictions from here. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issues, it might be any issue with your Apple Pay or with your payment method. So you can easily fix that by updating or your payment method information. Tap on the Apple ID here and go for payment and shipping option. And here you have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. And then you have to remove your previous payment method here. If you have added payment method, you must have to remove that first. Then open your App Store here, tap on your profile option in the top right corner, tap on your Apple ID here, and you just have to try to re-add your payment method here. So after you're entering your account password, you will get a this type page. You must have to wait for this loading and then select the country or region option from here, and then select your own country or region in which you are living. And here, for example, I'm going to select this one. Once you have selected, tap on this continue option here, and here tap on agree in the top right corner, and then you have to add your payment method here again. If you want to re-add the old payment method, you can easily re-add that, or if you have a new one, you can also add a new one payment method here. Once you have added your payment method, you have to correctly add this billing address. You have to enter your street number here. These two are optional. You can skip that if you want to enter. You just have to enter them. Then enter your postcode. If you don't know about that, you can search for Google. Search from Google for your postcode. Then enter your town, country, your phone number, your name, and after doing that all, you just have to tap on this done option in the top right corner, and after that your payment method will be up to date into your Apple ID. So it will fix your issue, or if it doesn't work for you, so you just have to open your Apple Support app. You can also use Apple Support web, or you can easily install this app from your app store. Tap on your iPhone from here, then select subscriptions and purchases, select unable to purchase, and here you just have to wait for the loading, then select get more help, select call us. After doing that, you'll find the phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after doing that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.